Hello guys, Ninjani. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Igama lam ndung Azana Jezile. Please stay, please subscribe, please become a part of the family. And if you are a regular, if you are an OG on this channel, welcome back to yet another video. So yeah guys, today I'm just testing out new lights, actually a light that I got, an LED light that I got from Take a Lot. And I don't know if it's giving or not, but I think it's doing the job. I don't like the fact that it's giving me shadows, but I'll play around with it a little bit more and we'll see what happens. But anyways, guys, I'm on here and I'm speaking casually like manga. You guys always know whenever I start a vlog, I'm always in a hurry, rushing off somewhere. Today I'm going to Canal Walk. I'm running a few errands. I need toiletries. I need to buy my daughter some winter clothes. There's a lot of stuff that I have to do today. And it's a Sunday. I never go to the mall on Sundays. I don't even know how my city bus schedule looks like on a Sunday. So I really have to get going. I think the time is almost 11. I looked at the time, my city timetable. It did not make sense to me. I was like, what is this? So I still don't know what bus I'm taking at what time. Pray for me. I'm a mess. Also, wow, English. Can you address the elephant in the room? My hair. I haven't done braids in years, literally 3 years or 4 years. I have not done braids, and yesterday I spent the whole Saturday at the salon doing my hair. If you're interested or if you want to know where I got my braids done, I did them at Constance Hair Salon in Brooklyn, in Kootberg Road, in the main road. That's where I did my braids. And yeah, I mean, they're cute. It's the curly, I don't know what you call, I think it's called French braids. It's French braids. But yeah, that's where I got my braids done. I'm still getting used to the look. I don't know how I feel about braids, honestly. I'm still getting you. It takes me a while to get used to a new hairstyle, so I'm still in that phase where I don't know if I like it. But I'll tell you guys one thing. I forgot how painful braids are. Braids are so painful, and I forgot how painful braids are. Yesterday I literally had to drop myself in order to sleep, and Nakona, I kept on waking up at night and I was in so much pain. I don't know how people do this. This is why I retired braids. I remember now, this is why I retired doing braids. But yeah, let's get going, you guys. I want to show you guys the light that I got from Take a Lot. A new light, because I want to up my quality and my lighting, and it's winter, so a lot of videos when I'm shooting, it's going to be very dark, so that's why I got a light. I'll show you guys what that looks like right now, and I'm also going to show you guys a package that I got from Bramley. So yeah, Bramley has me covered always when it comes to skincare, okay? And it's winter and I have every type of tissue oil that you can possibly think of. So love the Bramley team for that. Let me get going, guys. Let me show you guys these things and let me get going. Let's go to run these errands. Of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me. And yeah, dynamites really come in small packages. This is the light. It is so bright. I might show you guys at night how it looks like so that you can see a proper comparison. But yeah, it also has this what do you call this, like a filter thingy. That's not the right word, but yeah, this is the light. If you guys are interested, I will link it down below in the description box. So my favorite brand, Eva Emhlabeni, don't mind my braids. Bramley sent me a package and I am all sorted for this winter, okay? I'm all sorted. Also, just a fun fact in case you guys did not know, Bramley is now available at Clicks. So so yeah, they're available at Clicks, which is so amazing. Love that, Azana. Let's get going, guys, before I miss this bus. The last time I spoke to you guys, I left you guys hanging at the mall. But now it is the next week. Definitely not good at this vlogging thing. But today it is Sunday. Don't know what the date is. We are off to get a massage, and I'm gonna take you guys along with us.
I said, bartender, I need 1 shot whiskey, 2 shots of pain, and a dash of some memory. With life's lemons, I made lemonade. Does it still taste the same if I mix it with some Hennessy? Dreams of being young and unafraid, but I loved somebody and it drained all my energy. Ooh, and I thought that love was magnificent. I remember being 7 years old, thinking, oh my God, what's it feel to be 23? Now I'm 27, staring at a kid in the mirror, and all I do is wonder if he's proud of me. Broken promises made me this way, I swear. I wasn't always numb and indifferent. Bartender, I need 1 shot of whiskey, but what could I tip you to refund my innocence? Would I rather be rich and gold, or rather be rich in the fire? What if I wake up alone? Maybe I'm sick and tired, or maybe I'm just getting old. Maybe I'm just getting old. Yeah, bartender, happily ever after. Why don't I see it happening? Yeah, bartender, have you ever been in love with someone?
To the vlog!
Remember I was young and
Show me this Christmas jail.
Are you gonna put this in the vlog? Hey, that was private! I love you.
This has been my highlights for the month in June. Getting my braids done, running some errands, going to a couple's massage to celebrate my 2-year anniversary with my husband. I can't believe I've been married for 2 years. Still feels like yesterday. And going home. June was such an eventful month. I went home, spending time with loved ones, with my daughter, of course. I had such an amazing time. But every time I go home, it just gets harder and harder to say goodbye. I had such an amazing time, and it was just such a challenge to say goodbye to my family, most importantly my daughter. And I've had this footage for weeks, and I just struggled to even watch through it or go through it, because my mental health definitely took a knock after coming back from home. But I hope this video was something. I definitely know that these are memories that I wanna look back on, so that's why I'm putting them up on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having a beautiful Sunday. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.